go home. Take me home. I've got to go home. Take me home. And we gonna rise, yeah, high above the flames. Our hearts open as the endless sky. No more deception and no more shame. Just a reflection of the natural high. Do you remember that melody? Oh yeah. Do you remember that song so free? Yeah. I wanna go home. Take me home. I've got to go home. Take me home. Yeah, yeah. Oh, let us rise above the bones. Let us remember the memories. No more afraid, no more alone. Let our spirits fly so free. Minds, a little child wrapped tight in prayer, safe from harm, oh yeah, ever guided by Jaja fire. Oh, I wanna go home. Take me home. I've got to go home. Take me home.
Now you gotta reel as the boat goes forward. If you get too much slack, tell me. I put it in reverse like I just did. Gotta keep it tight. There's some beautiful jumps.
Hey, get ready.
Alright, I'm ready.
Crank, 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 crank. He's right there. He's crossing the bow.
Where is he now?
Right, 20 feet, 11 o'clock.
Don't touch those leaders, don't worry. Can't. Yeah. That's the leader, that's fine.
It's okay, it's just a knot. Little thing through there. By the nature of the 100-pound, it's fast. Hold on, guys.
Yep.
We're good. There's no bobbers around here. We're good. right kind.
Silver and big?
Yeah.
Alright, get ready, Dave.
Yep, there he is. Come on.
Real.
There he is. There he is.
Jump.
Yeah, I got that one, Ron.
Alright.
Sorry.
He's a little guy.
That's why he said he's the right kind. That means he's little.
Dave, boy, you smart. No, it's hard to guess their size. When you get them next to photo, we figure you think. But yeah, he's not 130.
No.
But
I'm kind of not letting
you got
him
him
pull
to the
out.
boat. That's what we're looking for. Looking to seal the deal.
There you go, Ron. There you go. Come on.
Don't go anywhere.
There he is. Bring him back to the front. Bring him back to the front. There he is.
Rod tip around the bow, out and around the bow. There you go. Well done. That goes in the plus category.
Nice.
Back around the bow.
Yeah, that was a deal.
Right behind. Come on up again.
Okay, get your tip down to the left. Or hard down to the left. Way out to your left. There you go. You want to get it always behind his tail if you can. Be gentle, but get it behind his tail. And it'll actually pull the boat. Get it way down there to the right now. Down low. There you go. See him stop?
Yeah.
He's pulling the boat. You see the boat go forward? We call that good ass pressure.
He doesn't like me. He doesn't like you at all.
Real good shot. Real good.
Get over there, dude.
Yeah, I got it.
That's one for the book right there, buddy. That's more to reel in, isn't it?
Like deja vu.
All over again. Deja vu?
Kind of like this morning.
Coming back this way. Crank him up, buddy.
Like same thing we saw this morning. Mate landed, he ate it right as it landed.
So the pond climbed into the bottom, ready to see what was happening.
I just popped it right into the water like this morning. That's what I was telling you.
I'm trying to be a good videographer, getting Dave in the picture and the fish.
Like that. Got a little sunset shot there too.
I'll put that over his shoulder. There we go. I did miss that second jump though.